The perfect Greek salad. Chop up, I did 3/4 of a red onion. I did 2 big cucumbers and 2 bell peppers, an orange one and a yellow one, and some Kalamata olives. I used the sliced ones so I don't have to chop them up. You can get the whole ones and chop them up yourself. And then a bunch of mild banana pepper rings. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And you can put a little of that juice in there if you want a little of that sour vinegar. And I also put some feta cheese. And Greek vinaigrette dressing. And 5 cheese tortellinis. So I put a big bag of those, boiled those, got those cooled down, and then sliced up all my vegetables. And then you can add to taste. I use a whole jar of the banana peppers. This is what? Heck, I don't know. That size of jar. I use the whole jar and about 2/3 of the Greek Kalamata olives. So quite a bit left in there, but oh, it's so good. And it's so healthy for you. And amazingly, I did not think I would really like it, but it's good. A lot of people are like, okay, I don't like to eat straight onion. Well, it's all blended in. You cut it into small pieces. It's not like you're eating straight onion. And it is so good and so healthy for you. Alright, it's that easy. You can also put cherry tomatoes in there if you want tomatoes, but some in our family don't like tomatoes, so I love tomatoes, but since nobody else likes them, I'm not going to put them in there. You can put meat in there if you want, like sliced up salami or something, but we are making this a vegetarian, so pretty much really simple to make and really delicious. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.